One is bigger as yours. The other was smaller.
Mine and Jana's.
Post-it notes.
Sticky notes. Ticonderoga.
Why is it open? Did they take some pencils out?
No.
KDD.
So American.
Is this the only box?
I think there's more than that.
Check it off your checklist.
School supplies, guys.
Hey.
And last night,
You only get half of that.
I know.
That's 24 pieces.
12.
And then dumating today. Check ate!
I don't know where this is.
What's inside the box?
Exit. Or scratch. No, scratch. Scratch through it. No. Go through the line. Like, shh. Yeah, make it happen. Post-it notes. Your scissors. Did you get the print out of Jana's?
Huh?
You printed out Jana's, right?
Yeah. What is this? Graph paper.
What's that?
Graph paper for math. Binders?
No.
No.
That's your brother's. That's your brother's.
Yeah.
It's Manoy's.
Kleenex.
You get one, Jana gets one.
That's a lot of stuff. What's it called? Tissues?
Yes.
Tissues.
Tissues.
Okay. Jana's is gonna be. Oh, there's
Ipakita,
more.
ate. Colored pencils?
Yeah.
It's yours or Jana?
Mine. Jana has her.
Wait, another tissues?
Yeah, one for Jana, one for...
Okay.
That's it for now. Tomorrow is more.
Yeah,
That's
there's
it?
a lot more tomorrow.
Okay, more stuff sa Amazon, guys. So, hopefully ito na yung ibang school supplies sa mga bata. Dahil bukas, guys, Thursday, September 5, first day of school na nila. So, hopefully makumpleto na ang school supplies nila para wala ng problema. So, mamaya bubuksan namin to, guys. Dahil, as of now, busy pa Aketch. Busy pa si Mami J. Nagluluto pa ako, guys, ng dinner namin. And then, si Daddy Jan wala dito, nasa kabilang bahay. And mamaya, pupunta din ako doon para magdilig sa mga guys, sa vegetables ko, sa maliit ko na garden. Ayan, so busy ang peg namin. Binuksan na nila yung boxes kanina, guys, Amazon.
We didn't get loose.
Ito yung mga dumating, oh. Yan, ito. Danas,
You don't need all of it.
what do you call this one?
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
I'll show you.
But it's not case. Pencil bag.
Pouch. So over
Pouch.
here are the expo markers, and
Murang nagsudlanan sapatos.
in this middle place, my colored pencils, my Ticonderoga pencils, my red, blue, and black pens, and my scissors. Over here are my sticky notes and my earbuds.
Dagdag arte-arte. Nadako kaysa na murag sudlanan sa kwarta. Okay, so same bag.
Yeah, but
Nawa, malabhi.
tomorrow I'm gonna get a black one. So I'm gonna be using.
Yo, lucky you. Gipalitan na po og bagong bag. But this bag, guys, pila na ni katuig ginamit nila, guys.
2 years.
Huh?
2 years.
No, more than that. Oh, look, oh, hindi ko nalabahan, guys. Wala nang time. Ayan, binuksan na nila yung boxes kanina. And
Grab whatever you need when you need it.
ayan, kami nag-ready, guys, para sa para bukas. Wala, dire-diretso na sila. Kasi maagang-maaga si first na aalis si Manoy Jack. Oh, sobrang kalat ng table, guys. And then, ang susunod, si Ate Dana. Last, si Jana, guys. So, magkaiba sila ng school bus bukas. Oh, where's Jana's bag? Ate. Ang kalat. Kasi naghahanda kami sa mga nag-prepare kami sa mga dadalhin nila bukas sa school. First day of school. Wala tayong paper towel. Bibili pa ako bukas sa di ba ang kalat ng bahay? Sobrang kalat.
How many notebooks do I have? Do I need?
Where's Jana's bag? Jana.
You get two, Jana.
Ay, ko no.
Huge.
Yeah, dako kay hang.
Huge.
What is this, binder?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nadako kay sanan.
We might need to get another one, but that's fine for now.
Oh,
Anong dako man kay ni ate niya? Duha ka buok inani?
3 inch. That's
Duha-
a 3 inch binder.
Duha ka buok inani yung
You need
kinahanglan?
this one, because that's huge.
Nako, paita.
Just bring the second one.
Jana. Katag nga gi oh. Da. Headphones ni mo asa man ka Jana
Wait,
headphones?
girl. I could print your name here. Let's just print
Okay.
your name. You don't need to do that.
Ate's
And I'll just-
headphones, Jana's headphones.
Hurry up.
I don't need to do that.
What else? Ate's folders. Pila mo kabuok ang folders niya? Uy, naamay nasagol nga news ko rin.
Sponsored by.
Sponsored by Newsporin. Clorox.
I need one.
Kailangan din lang magdala ng Clorox. I think ang kulang na lang is ano guys, what do you call that one? Toilet paper.
You're done not here.
Meron pang hindi dumating sa ano
Oh.
sa Amazon. Bukas pa dadating
There's
and
a
then
problem here.
You already put everything in.
No, because see, they line up like that. So, I think we were supposed to just put them all in order.
uh-oh. Not yet.
They're gonna come in Friday.
Yeah.
Headphones with a microphone. Alright, so we
Saan naman yung nahitabo sa imo ate?
I just need
Kay Ate
hand
Dana.
sanitizer, paper towels, highlighters.
Daghan kayo, no? Then, ayan. Tissue. Tatlo yan, guys. 3 boxes. And then, isang Clorox wipes. Same thing with Jana. Oh. Paper towel, wala. Wipes for Jana.
paper towels and sanitizer.
Yan naman ang kulang ni Jana, guys. About ate.
And a small nutritious snack every day.
Okay. Ate, how about you? Kompleto na?
Yeah.
Ha?
I just need my outfit
Outfit.
for tomorrow.
Okay.
Your headphones, don't forget
All
your
set.
headphones.
Those are not mine.
So ito kay Jana, guys. Isang malaking wipes.
Oh.
Yung tissue. 3 boxes. Clorox wipes. And then Ziploc. Ayan. Hindi namin alam kung ano, guys. Isang
Buy your highlighters with
isang ganito lang na ano or isang box na ano,
You
freezer.
come in?
And
You have
sandwich na ano,
highlighters on
Ziploc.
Yeah.
So pinadala na lang namin yung isang box kasi sa lista, guys, walang sinabing plastic, 1 plastic or 1 box or ano. I don't know. Ayan, that's for Jana. Where's for ate?
Oh, it goes in the bag?
And where's yours,
Yeah,
ate?
it's not gonna. It's gonna like crash together.
Para ready na bukas. Si Manoy ready na, guys, eh. Kunti lang yung ano niya, school supplies niya.
You don't need a name on the back. The bus drops you off, you go to the main gym next to each other. So that's easy. D is going to be the next wing. Which one is it? Once you know where that is, it's good. G, I think G is probably, I don't know, if it's near the gym or something like that. Because, no, G is this gym is the small gym. It's not the big gym. Just so you know.
Okay, come on. Manoy, let's go.
Good, put this in.
Good morning. Naglalakad na kami, guys, pumunta sa bus stop ni Manoy. So silang tatlo, si Manoy ang maunang lalabas. Kasi maaga yung school bus ni, guys. So since first day of school, sasamahan ko muna siya kasi. So saan na ba ako? Naano ako kanina, guys, kasi kailangan namin tumawid sa daan. Ang daming sasakyan. So si Manny Jack, guys, is bago yung ano niya, bago yung bus stop niya, guys. So kailangan ko siyang ihatid para malaman niya kung saan siya pwedeng maghintay sa bus niya. Dong. Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited ga? Huh? Kiddos, first day of school. Are you excited, Baba? Yes. Bus is here. Yay! Yay! Bye bye.